The Wagyu steaks are cooked and they're just covered and sitting here, so I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. They look absolutely amazing. There you go. So I'll just cover those again while we're just making the cheese. We have some leftover juice in the pan there, so we'll use that later to make some gravy, maybe make some pies or something with that to make the gravy, so that'll be beautiful. Okay, so these are the ingredients to make a blue sauce to go with the Wagyu steaks. We've just got some milk, corn flour, butter and blue Stilton cheese. I have 25 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, 150 ml of milk and 50 grams of blue Stilton, either chopped or crumbled. And that's what I'm going to use to make the cheese sauce, blue cheese sauce. Okay, so that's our 25 grams of butter, which I'm just going to quickly zap in a microwave. Okay, just microwaving that. Okay, so I have my melted butter. I'm now adding in some flour. I'm using corn flour instead of plain flour, but that's fine. It's actually a tablespoonful, which is about 25 grams. Okay, and now I just mix that in. So I'll just do that while I'm holding the camera.
I might need to add some more, so I didn't actually weigh the tablespoon.
Okay, so that looks okay. Now I've got to add 150 ml of milk to that. Okay, that's my heated flour and butter. So now I'm adding 150 ml of milk to that. Alright, there we go, and just going to stir that as well. I was meant to actually do this on a stovetop and I didn't. So I'm just sort of doing each part and heating it up in a microwave after that. So I basically want a smooth texture, and I'm supposed to simmer it and stir in the cheese, but I'll just keep doing what I'm doing and microwave for a bit and add the cheese as well.
So you normally be doing this on heat, overheat on a stove.
Okay, so I'm just going to microwave that again and add the blue cheese. Okay, just microwaving that. Okay, so this is my butter flour milk mixture that's been mixed together and microwaved to bring it to the boil. And this is my blue cheese that I've diced up, and I'm obviously going to add that to this mixture and whisk it while I've added it. So just start the whisking while we add it. Okay, and this cheese is so yummy. I know blue cheese is one of those things, people love it or hate it. I never used to like it, but I love it now. Okay, so it would have obviously been better if I did it, if I read the instructions properly and did it over a stovetop, but I've done it like this. So we're going to have this beautiful cheese, blue cheese sauce with our steaks. Okay, so that's looking good. Just to thicken it up a little bit, we're going to add a little bit more flour. And we're just going to sift that flour in so it doesn't go all clumpy. And I'll whisk it as we're doing that. Perfect.
Okay.
So there we go, that's looking a little bit better. And the spots there are just the blue cheese, so don't stress about that, it's meant to look like that. Okay, just microwaving that. We just want to activate the cheese that we've just put in, so we'll just microwave that for about 30 seconds. Okay, so that's the heated mixture now. We're just going to stir that a little bit more, and then we'll zap it again in the microwave, give it another little burst. Okay, so we'll put that back in the microwave again. Okay, so that was just heated up for another 15 seconds, and then we'll just stir that, and that's looking much better, much more like the sauce. So that's the beautiful blue cheese sauce that we're going to put on our Wagyu steaks. And it smells beautiful now that the cheese is activated. There we go. Okay. So we're just going to start plating that up. Okay, so we've just plated up our steak and salad, and we're going to tip over our sauce. So here we go. Oh, it looks beautiful. There you go, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so that's our Wagyu steak with blue cheese sauce and just a little bit of salad. Oh, and my scales have just switched off.
That's okay.
Okay, so that's about a couple of grams. So I guess we add more. Alright, so that's my flour. I might need to add some more to it. I didn't actually weigh the tablespoon.